You think building a website takes weeks? Not anymore. Today, I'll show you how to create a full professional website using AI in minutes. No coding, no design skills, no disappointment. Just pure creation. Let's build the future right now. First up, codedesign.ai, your AI website architect. Type what you want, a portfolio, business, agency, or e-commerce, and boom, AI creates a complete, ready-to-publish site. You can drag, edit, or switch entire layouts instantly. It even generates sections like pricing, testimonials, and hero banners, all powered by AI. This isn't just a template, it's intelligent design. Every element adapts to your text, colors, and brand style. Click Export, and you have your full HTML, CSS, and React code ready. That's pro level in seconds. Next, the legendary Figma AI website generator. Just describe your idea, and Figma's AI plugin instantly builds a pixel-perfect layout. Text, images, grids, everything. Say, make a futuristic landing page for my AI YouTube channel, or you can use your own prompt. And it literally draws your design on screen. You can tweak colors, auto-generate sections, and use auto layout for responsive pages. The best part? You can export your design directly to code using plugins like Locofy or Anima, and go live in one click. This is design plus development, merged into one. Finally, meet Teleport HQ, your AI to code teleportation device. Upload a screenshot, Figma file, or even a hand-drawn sketch, and AI converts it into a live working website. You can edit, animate, and deploy instantly, all inside the browser. Teleport HQ even writes React or HTML code in the background while you're designing visually. It's open source friendly, lightning fast, and exports clean, editable code, so you actually own your site. From sketch to site, zero friction. So there you go. 3 AI tools that turn your idea into a website instantly. codedesign.ai, full smart builder. Figma AI generator, design magic. Teleport HQ, from sketch to site. No coding, no limits, just creation. If you made your own site using these, tag me. Let's see how fast the next generation builds the internet.